Jai Jawan, Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force is the air arm of the Indian Armed Forces. Its complement of personnel and aircraft assets ranks fourth among the air forces of the world. Its primary mission is to secure Indian airspace and to conduct aerial warfare during armed conflict. It was officially established on 8th October 1932 as an auxiliary air force of the British Empire, which honored India's aviation service during World War II with the prefix Royal. After India gained independence from United Kingdom in 1947, the name Royal Indian Air Force was kept and served in the name of Dominion of India. With the government's transition to a republic in 1950, the prefix Royal was removed. The motto of Indian Air Force has been taken from the 11th chapter of the Gita, the discourse given by Lord Krishna to Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra during the Great War of Mahabharata. The Lord is showing his supreme divine form to Arjuna, and the great form of Lord is reaching the sky with glory, evoking fear and loss of self-control in the mind of Arjuna. The Indian Air Force similarly aimed to overwhelm the adversaries with application of aerospace power in defense of the nation. Nabasprisham Deepta Maneka Varna Yaptananam Deepta Vishalanetram Rishva Hitvam Pravyaktantaratma Drutin Navingami Shamam Cha Vishnu. Lord, sing your form touching the sky with glory, effulgent, multicolored, having its mouth wide open and possessing large flaming eyes. I, with my innermost self frightened, have lost self-control and find no peace. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 11, verse 24. The Indian Air Force is divided into 5 operational and 2 functional commands. Each command is headed by an air officer commanding in chief with the rank of Air Marshal. A wing is a formation intermediate between a command and a squadron. It generally consists of 2 or 3 IAF squadrons and helicopter units along with forward base support unit. FBSUs do not have or host any squadrons or helicopter units, but act as a transit air bases for routine operations. In times of war, they can become full-fledged air bases, playing host to various squadrons. In all, about 47 wings and 19 FBSUs make up the IAF. Within each operational command are anywhere from 9 to 16 bases or stations. Smaller than wings, but similarly organized, stations are static units commanded by a group captain. A station typically has 1 wing and 1 or 2 squadrons assigned to it. Squadrons are the field units and formations attached to static locations. Thus, a flying squadron or unit is a subunit of an Air Force station which carries out the primary task of the IAF. A fighter squadron consists of 18 aircraft. All fighter squadrons are headed by a commanding officer with the rank of wing commander. Some transport squadrons and helicopter units are headed by a commanding officer with the rank of group captain. Flights are subdivisions of squadrons commanded by a squadron leader. Each flight consists of 2 sections. The smallest unit is a section led by a flight lieutenant. Each section consists of 3 aircraft. The Garud Commandos are the special forces of Indian Air Force. Their tasks include counter-terrorism, hostage rescue, providing security to IAF's vulnerably located assets, and various Air Force specific special operations. First conceived in 2002, this unit was officially established on February 6, 2004. All Garuds are volunteers who are imparted a 52-week basic training, which includes a 3-month probation followed by special operations training, basic airborne training, and other warfare and survival skills. The last phase of basic training sees Garuds being deployed to get combat experience. Advanced training follows, which includes specialized weapons training. Jai Hind.